Hello dear friends, welcome to Parametric Solution. If you are not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe by pressing a bell button. Parametric Solution is affiliated and certified with the NSDC, Skill India, Indian Technical Education Society Mumbai. Parametric Solution is since 2000. Over 15,000 plus students we had trained. About us, Parametric Solution is a leader in mechanical, architect, civil, interior, automobile, piping, HVAC, MEP, electrical training for engineering students and professional engineers. We are having more than 20 plus years of experience in engineering all stream to high-tech automation and integrated job-oriented courses. One of the best job-oriented training program which we provide is MEP, Designing and Drafting course. It's completely 100% job-oriented, and we have a site visit along with industrial-based syllabus covered. You can see this course contains, you can pause and read the syllabus or visit our training center for more details. For electrical designing and drafting, for more details, for plumbing and designing drafting, you can visit our institute. MEP site visit, where are various pictures you can see here. Successful completed courses, students feedback. Batches are available for regular, weekend and morning and evening batches are available. We have a placement assistant to the successful completion of the students. We provide the career guidance for various positions in the field of MEP entrepreneurs, MEP design engineer, MEP technician, MEP draftsman, MEP project manager, MEP consultant, MEP inspection, sales engineer, MEP engineer, electrical design engineer, plumbing design engineer, MEP quality control engineer, MEP design engineer. Our special features or advantage of benefits of joining a parametric solution is one computer for one student for practice, daily batches are available, extra practice available, Sunday special batches are available, free motivated soft skill training, personality development, self-development training would be provided to the students, special guest lectures, campus interview, industrial based assignments, 100% growth in MEP industries. Sample of certificate you can see here, government authorized and private. Fees investment for durations. Please visit our institute for more details for theory and practicals. As given address, please visit. We can go to our website. It's just 5 minutes walk-in distance from Thane West, Mumbai. Contact us on 9819523008. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel and kindly visit our center for more details. Thank you.